Hey guys, back here with another video. I just wanted to make a quick short video about how you can use Amazon Associates promo codes to help you promote on Amazon Influencer or on your TikTok or on your YouTube. If you go into Amazon Associates and you go to promotions, you can click Amazon promo codes and it'll bring you to this screen that has Amazon promo codes. And this is really cool because you can actually you can get the link to promote it, and then you just then it'll show how to get the promotion for the people that are buying it when you promote it on your TikTok or your YouTube or Amazon influence. Well, uh, not specifically Amazon influencer, but the real cool thing about this is the secondary point that you can get about this is you can actually purchase these products for a discount, and it'll help you get products that you need for a lot cheaper, that you might want to promote on your Amazon influencer. Um, Personally, I have not gotten into the Amazon influencer program yet, but I do want to get into it. That's why I'm trying to build my TikTok. But um, I did purchase a few products using the Amazon promo codes. Like if we scroll down, there was this one. Uh, it's got like computer accessories and stuff where you can get like USB-C cables and stuff for really cheap, like $3 or $4, and also well, like I clicked on this Tukey thing and I got this USB cable for $4. I mean, it's not like an item that you can really make a lot on, but if you were to promote it and then they bought something else, that could work. So if you're um yeah, if you want to do that, then that's pretty cool. I'm just going to show you one of these real quick. So say we click on this, say 50% now. The thing you'll want to do, this is like a vegan leather bag, but it says you must sign in. It's a little glitch that says that when you're trying to redeem a promotion, but it won't. It'll lead you to an error page. So what you got to do is you just gotta you can't really copy from the link right here because it's just like it just it highlights a whole bunch of other stuff, but you can put in your promo code when you check out and you'll get the discount, or you can just copy it. If you're promoting it on your TikTok for people to buy, then you can just put that promo code there, which is what I suggest. So yeah, you can purchase items for a good discount here, and it'll help you get your. If you don't have a lot of items, then you can always purchase stuff on here, and uh, it'll help you put up your inventory of items that you can review, and give you some ideas on items that you might want to promote with Amazon Associates. So that's about it for this video today. Just wanted to show you that. Just go to promotions, Amazon promo codes on Amazon Associates. Uh, like I got hemp oil for like what was it, $6 after discount, originally 40. Like the cool thing about these promo codes is they also stack with like the regular promotions, like 5% off or 10% off that they normally have on some items. So it'll stack with that, and so you can get items for 4 or 5, 6, $8, and normally like 30, $40. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that little trick. If you're struggling with inventory for your to review items, or but yeah, I didn't see many people talking about the Amazon promo codes, so I just want to make a quick short video. If you liked this video, then then like the video, share, comment, or subscribe. Um, Thanks, guys. Hopefully, I'll be back with more videos soon. Have a nice day.